Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a short little video for you today. I picked up a hot pack product off of eBay, Memorabilia Explosion, Series 12. This series is $9.99 with free shipping. There's supposed to be 2 hits per pack, 10 cards per pack. There is some big names like Lamar, Mahomes, Montgomery, Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, and Daniel Jones. I stumbled across it on eBay. Figured it'd be something worth trying out. I've never done one before, so this will be my first one. So let's see what we got. It's supposed to have 2 hits. I think it was an autograph. There was a chance for booklets. Don't believe we have a booklet here, but you never know. Cool packaging. Oh, and it is in a team bag, which is cool. So I don't know if the hits are at the back or not. We'll start off with the first card though. Got a Topps Chrome Gavin Escobar for the Dallas Cowboys from 2013 Topps Chrome. Got a rookie David Johnson for the Arizona Cardinals. It's a nice rookie. 2015. A Prestige 2012 Jonathan Stewart. An Encore Upper Deck Emmitt Smith. That is 99. Aaron Dobson for the Patriots. Topps Chrome. That is 2013. I don't know if that's just a regular rookie card or what it is. Okay, so we do have one of the hits coming up. So we're going to take this and move it to the back. We have a Topps Chrome Randall Cobb, 2013. We have a Kerry Collins. It says Hobby Reserve Score, a Pinnacle brand. It's a cool little insert. The first hit is going to be a Prince Amukamara Bowman, little swatch. He had a little stint with the Bears there, so that's a pretty cool card. Let's see here. You have received a Bowman relic. Does not tell me. Nope, it's not from any specific game or event. That's still nice. Still nice shine to it. And the second hit is a Gary Brown from Premium Draft hit. (2017). And then our last card is a Upper Deck Kickoff Marvin Harrison. So I mean, it's not a bad little buy for $9. I mean, the Bowman is probably by far one of the best cards here. The relic card. I mean, when you're talking about the autographs and you're talking about big names, I mean, yeah, you have some you have a couple big rookies in there. Nice Emmett. I was like, but your autograph being hit, I don't know about that. I don't know if that would make the value be at $9. or $10 shipped. I mean, if you want one, you can get it off of eBay. I don't necessarily know how to link them, but I do have a paper here. You can go check them out on their website. You can check them out on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. They have a website. But yeah, that was mine. If you guys get one, let me know what you get. Thank you for watching, and I'll have another video soon.